Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u anpam ta kasngi. Ha kajingjia kablajia ha kapor minmit umintri rangba kajila Meghalaya u konrat ke sangma ulakhot phone shimet yo deputy speaker ba Timothy di Shira banpan jing ino jong ona kashuki sembut lampang ke yung darbar thawan. Karkum kitilong khubor kani kajingtha kadei kabalawan na kahai command jong ka party kabapan pauru bakala la bandon ka jingpin kala po ka sarkar MDA. Uba Shira ubala Zlembha ba uya don binta bat ka NPP ula ko ngo klem jing persya bat ula ongro ba uha ban ko ngo ya ka jing betha. Speaker ka yung darbar thawan ba Thomas Isangma ula pentip pait ba ka jing ino kam jong ba Shira kam dei na marki daw shimen nrei ka dei na ka binta ki jingpin bet politik ki bala shim da ka party. Ula ka dawru ba onjit usembut lampang ba thamai hapo katayo. Kajing no syuki jong ba Shira kawan hakapor ka basaungut ki MLA ka Congress kidang syurung sya ka NPP ka bala penklan syika dei ya kajing sedang jong ka party ha ka yeng dorbar. Kiriu paikai politik ki muddur ba uno na kite ki MLA thamai umla banyo ka syuki sembut lampang ka bakhut lane wat ka syuki menteri kumsi benta jong ka jing penklan ya ka kinhun MDA. Ka jing ino kam jong Shira ka deiru kadak bakin sadon shushu ki jing penkala apo ka kinhun menteri bat ka NPP ka pet ban khang klan ya ka jing sunshar jong ka ha ka por badang mi ki jing kala ha ka jing tre kam politik ha ka jila.
I don't know anything about this.
So, but why suddenly, sir, the decision?
So on this matter, I don't have any further comment. That's all.
So, why
The decision is up to our party high command.
So, is there a push for other MLAs to, take over?
That also I don't know. Only last night I received a call from CM. Then he said, "Awang, you better resign tomorrow." So I resigned. It's a loyal party man. I cannot say no.
But you should have said why. You should have protested.
I did not ask why also because I don't like to ask why. Because I know it is liberty.
But you are the most senior person.
Even then, you say, as a senior most party man, I should not ask him also. It depends on his wisdom.
Don't you know? Don't you think that you should know the reason? You are perfectly all right now. There is no sickness. Why somebody has to say?
That is why you say I don't have any further comment on that. Because you see, I have tendered my resignation as per the direction from the party high command. And say what I am asked to do, I have done it.
Is it that
So
you,
it depends on the what is called the wisdom of the Shem, whether he asks me to sit somewhere or go somewhere. That also I don't know.
But
That also I don't know. I did not ask him why I should reject.
not even a single word was said. Why? The reason why?
No. Till now.
Maybe
Yeah.
you will be accommodated in the cabinet, in the reshuffle.
That also I don't know. I say it is his prerogative. I'll tell you. Yeah. I'll be thrown away or I'll be sent somewhere else. I'll say.
So, but does this
So-
make you angry?
Huh?
Does this make you angry?
It's not too early, I think. They want to do the election of the deputy CM within this session. So I have to keep way.
So are you not angry?
Huh?
Are you not angry?
Huh?
Angry.
No, I'm not angry. I'm not angry. I'm quite satisfied.
So who will
This is my nature. I never get angry.
Sir,
In politics, so far as politics is concerned, I never get angry.
sir, what time you resigned and yesterday, what time you received a call from CM?
At about 11 at night, when I was able to sleep,
And,
suddenly I got angry.
and today, what time you resigned, sir?
Huh?
Today, what time you resigned, sir?
Before 9:30,
So he
so
has,
far I
not,
remember.
he has not explained to you the reason why you should quit.
No, I did not ask for explanation. I didn't ask him.
But is it not a logical, normal thing? The question comes.
I have a full trust in him. I don't know. You see, so I cannot say no because he's my most favorite CM.
So who will be succeeding you?
What?
Who will succeed you as a deputy speaker? Next deputy speaker, who will be?
Next deputy speaker, that also I don't know. Who will be? Whom they will pick up for deputy speaker? That also. It is not within my knowledge.
But are you giving any suggestion?
No, I am not giving suggestions. I don't know. I don't give any suggestion.